Today we are going to make a refreshing and healthy beverage made from purple basil. First, in an empty jug, by using a strainer, pour the boiled purple basil. Add the lemon juice. Here I squeezed 4 medium-sized lemons. Then add cold water. Now add the sugar. It will be more healthy if you can replace sugar with honey. Then give it a good stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. Purple basil contains many vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, and E, fiber, and antioxidants. Like other basil, purple basil is packed with vitamin K, which helps with blood clotting and aids in bone strength. Used medicinally for its antioxidants and antibacterial properties, basil oil provides an immune system boost and combats aging and skin ailments. You can serve it with ice cubes. You can also add a bit of fresh purple basil leaves as a garnish. Have a refreshing day, everyone.